They made it so you can't bank. This 5% thing blows. Yeah, I don't know what, like, the point, like, I don't know why. Oh my god, we're getting close to it. We're about 100 points away, which sounds like a lot, but with the market environment we're in, we've already made a dump of 219 points. Let's see if we might get a trade going right into the level. No strat, just panics. Everyone shorts all the way. Trump patch trading. See me pat only $7 a month. Yeah, it's only $7 a month, and you get live data. Make sure you go and press the link in the trading view chat, or not trading view chat, in the tools you need chat, just to make sure it's the right one. It should say CME plan like E-mini included. I would enter off this candle, but it's just too big of a wick, too big of like a bottom. Like if we entered off this, take profit, we'll go here, but too big of a candle and too big of a top wick. There's not what to if it plays out. It wasn't a legit win. Yeah, it's like a bearish candle, but not a momentum. I don't really take off just bearish candles. It needs to be strong body, small wicks. Nah, I'm not entering off that. Candle's a little too later than my liking. It looks bearish. Yeah, I'm leaning bearish right now, Matt. We're leaning bearish with the system. This is like pretty much the closest to a valid entry off a momentum candle, but I don't want to enter off it because it's a little like late in the after the pullback. What's the level we can't trade? 16. Yeah, 1662 right here. I'll mark it right here as well so you guys can see the number. 16662 is the level, but you kind of want to limit yourself just in case for slippage and whatnot, so you don't get caught up into blowing your account. So around 16 like 70, stop trading. W Hunter. No lie with these market issues, I just traded one micro at 832 candle and grabbed my 200 on my 4 accounts. One micro is insane. How big was this candle? 60 points. Let's see if we can get another pullback here and then momentum candle, and then that'll be a nice funny trade. All right, not this kind of pullback. ATP for 665. ETP's at 665, bro. So it was so close to the level. Are there not much PA fees on 100K account? I think it should be 125. It should be 125. Past TP is only gonna breach your account. Yeah, I'm only taking it if my TP is before this. It's before the level. That's the only case I'm taking the trade. Oh my god. No, we're not risking it. My candle had slightly larger wicks than I'd want. We'll work it back up, don't worry, guys. Bro, if you want to move the shit back up, we have to go all the way up here, and then I'll potentially get a setup. Because we're in such a strong downtrend. Alright, IQ, why'd you start buying, bro? I told you don't move it up yet. Why did you start buying? Underground market maker, I got you. Gotta grab the hammer RL strat. My bad, bro. Need these setups. That's crazy. Bro does not want to see me win. Bro does not want to see me win. $10 a.m. 4-hour candle. Holy cow, we've actually just been flushing. In the past, what is this? In the past 46 days, NASDAQ has dropped 27%, almost 30% from practically its peak. Which is insane. We're all the way at 16,000 on the NASDAQ. We haven't seen these lows since... I don't even know when. When's the last time we seen these lows? Oh my goodness, bro. I remember these days. 2023. We're at like... We've passed yearly lows, 365-day lows. We are like just flush. Pulling back is pulling back a little too much. Didn't Trump say that we're gonna win so much we're gonna get tired of winning? Yo and Daryl are D1 Minecraft hackers back in the day. Hey, yo, who told you that, bruh? 157 when these prices when we seen these prices like, all right, buddy, Hunter, what are you talking about, buddy? Now we gotta see this thing break all-time highs if we want to keep winning. I mean, we'll keep winning if we keep dumping from day trading, but everyone else, maybe not so much. When I tips for an aggressive cut? What do you mean an aggressive cut? Oh, like that. Literally, bro. Literally, like high protein, low cal. Fasting, I don't know, like, I've heard fasting helps a lot, but it's like the unhealthy way to do a cut, I think. Bro, Hunter, if you want to be diced before, like, summer, I'm telling you, eat, like, try to find your maintenance calories and calculate it, okay? Eat, like, 500 below that, 400 or 500 below that. Eat your ideal body weight in like, ideal body weight in pounds, but eat the amount of protein in grams that's equal to your body weight in pounds. So if you want to be 100, for example, 150 pounds, whatever, for example, eat 150 grams of protein, ideally. 10K steps every single day. You don't need to go running, doing some like crazy intense cardio. Just do 10K steps a day. Yeah, literally what Amir said. Amir, that's literally what I do, bro. But like, I actually gotta keep track of the calories and the protein. Sometimes I slack off on that. Do 1 minute a day with a protein goal around the goal. Wait, I want to be and do hella cardio. Don't sleep on cardio. Yeah, 10K steps is fire. Nah, we all gotta get shredded for real. I might make a gym section. We all gotta document our progress. Come on, we all gotta get shredded by summer. Come on, summer we all gotta get that 6-pack. You gotta get diced. Buddy Blake, if we were all shredded, we would not be having this conversation. Let's do it. For a cut out sugar too. Yeah, sugar 100%. Like, bro. Hunter, if the food you're eating isn't also like grown from Earth itself, then don't eat it. If the ingredients list on the food you're eating is like has more ingredients than the number of fingers you have, don't eat it. Number of fingers on one hand. Yeah, anything that's in a package is not good for you either. Yeah. No, it's actually simple. Like, it's just the hard part is sticking to it. Like even me, bro, I get lazy. Like sometimes I'm doing work and I don't get I don't get 10K steps in. I don't go walking here and there just to like get those steps. I only do cardio after the gym like 100%. That's like 2,000 something steps. And then some days I get lazy. I don't do the 10K steps. And then other days I get like a little offhand and I go eat some more snacks, or I go out with my buddies and I eat some like outside food and that shit increases the calorie limit by so much. I need luck in all my eating. Point into gym Discord. Yeah, no more trading. We're just gonna become a health guru Discord. Mark's so crappy. Nah, IQ actually started buying, bro. IQ, what did you do, bro? You just started flipping the shit to the upside. We're just like stair stepping to the upside. Bullish, one black candle, uptrend, one another black candle, uptrend, black candle, uptrend, black candle. At this point, just, when we get a black candle, just buy. Made a phone call. We good. Did you call Poppy Powell? Call Daddy Powell to turn it up. You call Daddy Powell and Daddy Trump to hook up a deal and pump the markets. Some days you'll be tired. Some days you'll be not stick to your plan. But as long as you stay overly consistent, you'll get there. Yeah, no, I gotta be diced by summer, bro. Enough being fucking overweight, bro. But when trend to trend. Alright, so we're slowly starting to slope up. The only thing I want to see now, guys, is price holding above the moving average line for at least like 5 minutes before you look to take any more trades. Tremble. Yeah, Hunter, first things first, like, if you cut without, like, working out much, you're gonna look really, like, your physique under your fat, it doesn't look nice right now because that's if you don't work out. If you don't go to the gym and you want to cut, like, straight to cutting, your physique is probably not gonna look nice, and if you shred all that fat, you're gonna look like a little, like, you'll probably look a little skinny fat. So try to, like, work out as well while you're slowly doing your cut, and that'll help you kind of lose that fat while you build that muscle. Die 7% even though the gym is 30%. Yeah, 100%. Oh yeah, newbie gains as well, bro. Hunter, you'll notice a lot of progress too. The benefit of the high protein intake is that'll help you maintain your muscle mass and help, like, recovery and build the muscle. And protein is not, doesn't, like, protein's not gonna make you fat either. Protein will actually help you break the fat. I think protein helps break down, like, the fat in your body or something. Yeah, like this is like a good count to enter off of. Only thing is that we're not maintaining the last rule, which is holding above the moving average line for a while. This is like a valid setup. That's exactly what we kind of want to see. Just holding above would be ideally longer than 3.5 minutes. 170? I weigh 170. Hey, what do you mean, damn, hold on? I'm 170. Not kilos, though. Amir, we're not talking about kilos. We're talking about pounds. Not kilos. No, not kilos. We're talking about pounds. Yeah, Amir, you're not wrong. I did all, like, the tracking, like, the past few days. Like 2,000 like 1,900 something calories is what I'm supposed to be eating at. So 2,000 is, like, perfect. 2,140 grams protein, bro. Amir, are you shredded? Or are you fat as well, like us? Are you lean? Nah, literally. Don't complicate. Eat the right food. Like, bro, like, steak, veggies, and like a little bit of carbs to balance it out. Vibing. Steak and eggs with some guac. Well, 175 and 75 kg. Don't drink alcohol. Hella not. It's not only is it bad for you. It's a big fatty. Like us is crazy work. The marketing conditions are a reason I'm a fat ass. Okay, bro. I gotta take accountability. Gotta take accountability. That's crazy. think you gotta be stressing. Nah, for real. Doc, can we get a pullback, bro? Give us a pullback. Why is it straight up or straight down? Now we're getting that pullback. Or been patched. Actually, we're not patched because if we're moving straight up or straight down, we could take some momentum scalps, which I haven't been doing for a while. That's why we do momentum scalps. But if we have good trend movement, then we do momentum trend falling. And I put on my bank account though. Fire. Hunter, what's the first thing you did when you got the payout? What's the first thing you spent money on? 100% food. 100%. Hunter's like, oh yeah, I'm about to get that hot chicken. The fried chicken, baby. Hunter finna feed the block. Upgrade to DoorDash Premium? Oh, that's actually funny. Momentum's coming. Oh shit. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Oh shit, never mind. It was a fake. It was a fake. It was a fake. It was a fake. Might get on this one though. Trust, don't take momentum on the shit. Nah, that's crazy, bro. Preying on the downfall. This is a good pullback. The pullback's a little stronger than my liking, but what I like is how we hesitated a little bit, which could be showing signs of being ready to pivot. I just want to see a candle with thick body, small wicks. We'll see if we get on this. We're gonna need this candle to push higher if we want to get a small, like, yeah. If we can close high like this, I'll like it. All right, guys. Probably are entering off this. All right, I'm in. Oh shit. All right. TP. Let's see. TP at previous high? No, 1-to-1 at 17,374. Okay. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. It is what it is. Let's see what happens. Took the setup. Let it play out. We had the uptrend, right? Everything's right. Sloping up SMA. Uptrend price structure. Momentum candle off that entry. Now we're back in profit. Target is at 1-to-1 risk to reward. Plain and simple. All right, again, entered off that momentum candle. We had everything set up perfectly. Target is a 1-to-1 stop loss at the low of the momentum candle. Let's see if this plays out. Staying patient, y'all. Don't move anything. Yes, we're done for the day. We already in profit, so if you guys want, you guys could take it out early, but I'm holding it to full take profit. Because with one con, we're already up a lot. Yeah, if you guys are in your eval and you guys hit your take profit on your eval, you guys can close the position because it doesn't really matter if you trade more than that or not, because you're not actually making money with it. Yeah, my funded future affiliate. I think I tried and they didn't allow me because I didn't have that big of an audience, but I could try again because like their shit's pretty cool. Their shit's pretty sick. I like their platform. I just never tried their thing because of scalping. Yeah, I'll try to get the affiliate like set up again. Maybe 5% isn't bad. Can you copy trade evals? On my funded futures, I'm not sure. Oh my god, bro. I just realized this is a 93-point trade. I entered this with one NQ con. Oh boy. That's why I stayed out. Yeah, that was a little large. Can you just pass my eval? Fire. Come on, Marky. You gotta do something. Imagine you're learning trading on these times. I mean, it's no different. You just have you just have a lot of volatility. I have a feeling we might start chopping right now, which is not gonna be good. With this big wide of a take profit, I don't want to see any chop. Talking about overall. Yeah, overall, like learning actually when it's just shorts is a little funny. Probably should have exited at the top before I started reversing. I don't know. I might. I'm currently keeping it at a 1-to-1. If I see we still have low volatility, I might bring the TP down to the previous high in case price doesn't want to push further. But we are pushing right now. We are pushing. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Exit. Exit. Let's go. W. All right. Oh, I'm still in my trade. Right? Exit. Did I exit? All right. We got out on that one, boys. Let's freaking do this. All right. Let's freaking do this, y'all. Let's freaking do this. Hold on. Let me record real quick. Bang, baby. W's in the chat. W fucking trade on these market conditions, bro. We do this shit. We make this shit happen, y'all. Let's get it. W's in the chat. Let's get it. Nah, that was a wild trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. Big. Let's get this shit, man. Let's get this shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. We are up. Nice. On that trade. On that trade. Beautiful. All I have to do is say something. Not Lynn, the market mover this time, bro. Oro's black. Alright, pause. You see the same bullshit. Hey, hey, Jesus Christ. We are pumping. You guys can take some momentum scalps off this as well, too. Oh my goodness. I had my ATM order set, so we accidentally got like exited down here, and then we re-entered though, so we're still chilling. But then we exited at full TP right here, 1-to-1, bang. Is that a 10K day? Hold on, that's a 10K day. Jesus Christ. Not 10. That's my biggest day. That's my biggest day. Jesus Christ. Jeez, that's wild, bro. Appreciate y'all, bro. Jesus Christ. That is wild. $568. How much have we pumped so far? We see, like, no matter what the market conditions do, we adapt that shit, bro. That's the benefit of playing with the trend. Wherever the market wants to go, we move with it. We move with it. That's it. Beautiful. Stay patient, right? You don't touch a thing. The only thing I was saying is if we start chopping going into like the end of my trading session, probably a little bit a lot longer than this, I'd move my take profit down here just so we don't get caught up. But just sticking to the plan. That's it. Keeping everything simple. Place your stop loss. Place your take profit. Let it be. That's it. I entered the contract made 2,300. My 50% gets zero is fucked. Oh my god, that was fire. Hold on. We are flying. We are flying. We are straight up flying, bro. Bro, we are flying. I just had my biggest day today, bro.
Oris?
Yeah.
Okay, we did a breakout as well. We all banked, but I did something stupid.
What'd you do?
I mean, it doesn't matter, but bro, I'm like, bro, we've been dumping every day. Let me just buy puts at market open.
You bought puts on the one day that ended up pumping.
Yeah. I'm down 70% on my position.
Oh my! How far out did you buy?
Dog, I bought it literally at market open.
No, what expiration did you buy for?
Dog, oh my god, my phone dropped like 184 or some shit.
184 days out?
So I said days out, 2 days out.
2 days out.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dog, because I looked at the daily chart like.
Nah, the
dog,
one day
wait,
puts shit like the puts didn't work. Bro got cooked.
Alright, you're gonna lose your mind when I show you the key level.
What?
Alright, it rejected off of a key level, like, and it just didn't stop going. Look at this shit. It's bro, OG strat. Look at this.
Key levels?
Look. See
Oh,
that
that's
red
fire.
flag?
Did you make it? Did you make the levels?
Bro, no, it's the old levels from like over a year ago.
It's the same ones?
Yes, they're fucking smacked.
Oh my
So
god.
stupid. No, we're actually so cooked.
No, we're not
Well,
cooked, bro.
how
Come
much you
on.
make today?
Bro, 10 bands, bro. 10 bands day. It's my biggest day.
Per account?
Yeah. Bro, it had that buffer, bro. Bro,
Bumper
we've been...
slippage.
What do you mean slippage?
Like it skipped over your TP and just didn't fill.
No. We had... It was our TP set everything.
Bro, on the left is Rolex at my house.
Bro, what?
He took mine.
Oh my god.
Mine's bigger. I don't know if I fucked that up.
How did he not realize?
What size accounts do you have?
50Ks.
Holy shit.
But it's not even at 50K anymore, bro. It's fucking way more. Not way more as in like 100K, but it's up good.
You need to fucking get a payout on all of them, blow them up, switch it to 50K ASAP.
Maybe, bro. Because like that'll help with like trading more contracts. Or I should get a lot more 50Ks.
No, just buy more 250Ks. You'll double your income, trust.
I'll see. I'll think about it.
Also,
I'll look into them.
No, the day's actually a motherfucker. Oro, we're literally pumping back up. Hey, how negative am I in my position? Let's check. I'm down 85% on my position. Oh my god.
That's actually insane. Oh my god, we're about to hit the upper level of the 5% rule. What the hell, bro?
Hey, where did this Drake...
We pumped 1,700 points.
Oh my god, XRP's going up too. Yes.
XRP?
Yeah, bro, XRP dumped to like $1.70 yesterday.
No way.
Bro, yes, Ondo bought so much XRP yesterday because of that.
I haven't been
Hey,
looking.
Oro, imagine I bought calls instead.
At $1.90, Jesus Christ.
Oro, if I bought calls, I'd be up like 200%.
Nah, we're gonna start. This better be the start of a rally, bro. Hey, boys, look how small my trade was compared to the move we've had for the day. This is actually insane. I thought my 90-point trade was huge. We've pumped, like, this 90 points is nothing.
Bro, you had a what K day? 10K day?
Yeah, 10K. Like, literally just edging 10K.
With how many accounts?
5.
4?
5 accounts.
Dog, I had a 7.8K day with 10 accounts.
7.8K. Yeah, because that's, like, I go heavier side because I have that buffer. Because, like, bro, my, like, win rate's really high. Like, I increase the size as I get that buffer. So, it's like, why not? Increase the size with it so we get more trades.
I mean, that's you. I wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
That.
All right, I might transition to 250K so I could trade with this size, like, regularly. But, like, if I, God forbid, blow the accounts and, like, I go back to like 50K, then I'll have to enter lower size.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna fuck off.
Okay, bet I'll see you.
I'm done 10,000. I'm kidding.
Okay, bro. Okay, I'll see you. Now, why did Daryl get puts? That's actually stupid. XRP bag pumping. Yeah, XRP fell down, but how much are we up on this? Yeah, XRP is like primetime buy season. Everything's a primetime buy season right now. He got puts at market open to try to like do shorts at market open. The one day bro did it, ended up not working. So it's not a strat to just buy or sell. Yeah, exactly. Like the one day that might not work out ends up like being a loser, and that's just gonna like mess everything up. Or why is 2K profit? Yeah, it's 2K profit on 1 hour because I have a buffer on my account. That's how I normally trade. Like anywhere from like. First of all, I didn't realize this was a 90-point trade. I entered with 1 NQ contract. I didn't think I'd be risking $2,000. I just entered the lowest size I usually trade, which is 1 contract. I thought this would probably be like a 50, 60-point trade. And I'm like, okay, that's around like what? $1,200? Yeah, I mean, that's the benefit of the strategy. It has such a high win rate that like once you start building that buffer, you can scale up your position sizing. Right? Because I don't base my I don't have a default trailing drawdown anymore because trailing drawdown gets capped at 1,000. So it's like that's the benefit you get. Just don't please multiple brochures. No, how are we already at the upper level already? That's insane. We've never seen this much volatility in a day. No, Rita, I didn't re-enter. Look. I entered here. I got stopped there. And then I re-entered. I entered there because I put an ATM strategy of like 14 points because I always set that as my standard. And then I dragged the stop loss and I dragged to take profit where it should go. Okay, I entered here, this first blue arrow. I got stopped out at this left green arrow because I didn't have time to adjust the stop loss and take profit. So it moved so fast, it stopped me out. And I'm like, oh shit. I got back into the trade. And then my stop loss, I moved it down. I moved it down here at the low of this candle. Take profit went up there. That's it. Okay. This arrow's entry, this arrow's exit. I entered 1 con on each one. See, 1 con got stopped out and then re-entered 1 contract. And that's it. I didn't like add more to my position. Yeah, Rita, my accounts are not at 50K. My accounts are sitting way above 50K. Yes, 5 accounts? Yes, I have 5 accounts. They're 50Ks. They're 50Ks, but I made profit on them. Let me get the TikTok live set up real quick. No, I do I request payouts. I don't not request payouts. I make profit on them, but I request payouts whenever I can. I just grew the 50Ks. That's it. Okay, chop it trade evals on Top Step. I think you're allowed to, I think you're able to. You can ask Hunter because he does Top Step, but yeah, you should be able to. But my PC's like crashing out right now. Is my camera laggy? Guys, is my camera laggy? Oh my god, why is my PC crashing out? Alright, I'm gonna end the YouTube. Oh shit. I have like... Okay. Let me end this recording.